Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We ordered stuff from amazon.co.uk. We want to unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside.
Yes!
SOUNDCORE Motion X600. This is a Bluetooth speaker with wireless high-res spatial audio, 50 watts sound, IPX7 waterproof, pro equalizer, built-in handle, aux-in, portable speaker for home, office and outdoor. This is what we have here. Immersive spatial audio inspired by theater acoustic Motion X600 Bluetooth speaker. It has 5 drivers and 3 amplifiers positioned to deliver sound all around you. You feel like you are in the room with your favorite artist every time you press play. The 50 watt sound will fill any space with rich, high quality sound that bring music to life. Portable and lightweight. It's easy to carry between rooms to transform any part of your room into an immersive listening space. Simply relax and listen without worrying about Motion X Bluetooth speaker getting wet. 12 hours of playtime. Keep listening to music podcasts for days with zero battery anxiety. Going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. I hope it helps you to make an informed choice. Nice. This is brilliant packaging. Nice packaging. This is the C cable information pack. I like the packaging with recycled stuff. Nice. I like the color. See what it looks like. Speaker, you switch it on and off on this button. This is a Bluetooth button, so you switch this speaker off and on from this button. Once you switch it on, and this button is Bluetooth button. This button is spatial sound button. Spatial sound button. This button is bars up, so switch it off and on from this button. This is for you to decrease, minus is for you to decrease the volume. This button is pause and play. This button is for you to increase the volume. I like the front metal grille or aluminum grille if you like. I would say grayish in color, very lightweight. To set this up, first of all, I need to charge this speaker with the power cable. So charge it up, connect this C cable to the power and connect this end to the back of the speaker. And from this you see the charger and aux port goes in here if you want to listen to music from aux. So connect the power cable to the charger, then connect this end to the socket. Showing us charging light here. Switch on this light. Brilliant. and you can see the Bluetooth is highlighting. Go to your laptop settings. Go to laptop settings. Go to Bluetooth and devices. Select Bluetooth and devices. Then switch Bluetooth on. Select add device. Select Bluetooth. And it's now looking for available Bluetooth device. SOUNDCORE Motion X600 audio. Then you select on it. It's connected. Connected mic and audio. Then you select done. It will show you the battery level. The battery level is now 60% for the speaker. So the battery level is 60%, but it can also charge this. And once it's connected, it will show you that it's charging. Now we want to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator. Go to Epidemic Sound. Go to saved music. There we go.
I would wait for you, but I'm getting so impatient. Tell me that you're ready now. This room is big enough for two, and I wanna do that something that will blow your mind. Do you know the things you do to me? Touch me and I'll make you understand. Do you know the things that make me feel? I can show you if you take my hand. I just wanna dance, dance, dance with you. Let me take you under where nobody can see. I just wanna dance, dance, dance with you. Harder than a summer, so put your hands on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Before you, I was paralyzed, all broken down from heartbreaks. Then you came and set me free. You've taken me to paradise, where nothing is a mistake, where we move so flawlessly. Do you know the things you do to me? Touch me and
If you want to control the equalizer for this speaker with your mobile phone, then what you need to do is you need to remove it from the laptop and switch off the Bluetooth from the laptop. Then go to your phone setting and the Bluetooth is highlighting. Then you go to your phone settings, switch the Bluetooth on, select Bluetooth, then select SOUNDCORE speaker, and it's connected for audio calls and also show you the battery level. Now we go to SOUNDCORE app. This is the app here, and it show you Motion X600 connected. You select on it. From this you can select the equalizer. You have SOUNDCORE signature, extra bass, voice, treble boost, and balance. So you can select particular preset equalizer settings you like before. Then you select the music. So it's currently in balance. So once you select it, then if you want to connect it with your laptop or any other, you can also switch off the bass from this button. And once you switch off the bass up will be off from the equalizer. So you can switch off the bass up from here as well, or switch it on. Then this is bass up. Likewise, switch it off from the button here. And once you switch on, the light will show from the app. So this is something that I thought to show you. So go back to Epidemic Sound to test the audio. If you want to connect it back to the laptop, then you need to disconnect it from the phone. So go to your phone settings, remove the Bluetooth. And once you remove it, the Bluetooth will be highlighting. It's highlighting, looking for available Bluetooth device. Then you go to your phone settings, go to your laptop settings, go to the laptop settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, switch Bluetooth on, and once you switch Bluetooth on, it's connected back. So we'll go back to test the audio using Epidemic Sound.
Came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. It looks like it's a reason, break the rules. I wanna wake up in the someone
Thank you very much indeed, guys. This speaker deserves your attention. It's nice speaker. I'm happy. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.